Our latest diesel Vito, Sprinter and Citan vans use AdBlue to help reduce emissions from the tailpipe. Refilling your AdBlue is simple, and I'll walk you through the steps. When your AdBlue level is low, you'll see this message and you should top it up at your first opportunity. If your van runs out of AdBlue, most vehicles won't start again until it's refilled. The AdBlue tank is easy to find. On this Vito, it's just beside the passenger door, underneath where you'd normally fill with diesel. Before refilling, make sure the engine is off and the area is clean to avoid any contamination. And make sure you avoid any contact with your eyes or skin. This is the AdBlue which you can buy from a Mercedes-Benz authorised repairer. Just make sure it meets ISO 22241 standards by checking the label. Start the engine and your van will recognise the refill. The warning light should disappear after a short while once you've been driving. And that's it. Regularly checking and topping up your AdBlue is a good idea, as it avoids any unexpected interruptions to your working routine. If you need any further help, contact your Mercedes-Benz dealer.